Hi, I'm Rob Parker. I'm the president of Pinewood Forest, and I have the privilege of building a community directly adjacent to one of the largest studios in the world. Pinewood Forest is a town built specifically for the creative class, for professional creatives, for patrons of the arts, for people who care about creating, storytelling, and making, and we're creating that here on the South Metro. So Pinewood Forest is a new urbanist community. This idea that could we live better than we have in the past. It really harkens back to when, before the automobile, when we used to live within a 7 to 10 minute walk and our whole world was kind of in a neighborhood. So we're building these incredible nod to European architecture, a lot of different styles, but walkable so that you can walk to the restaurants, you can walk to the grocery store, you can interact with your neighbors. Really big deal that we create collisions for people. The new urbanist movement really started about 30 years ago. Seaside, the whole 30A in Florida, Seaside, Alice Beach, those are some of the first ones. And it's kind of spread throughout the country as we've tried to reinvent how we live. It's interesting that we're going back in time to figure out how it is that we should live better. So if you could take the best of the past, marry it with the technology that we have now, with the advances we've made in building construction, and so that you've got this commitment to beauty and aesthetics and really natural materials, but with technology that, quite frankly, is cutting edge. We'd love to have an opportunity to show Pinewood Forest to you. It has so many layers, it's really hard to explain. You almost have to see it and experience it, live in it for a little bit. So we'd love to have you come out. We've got an experience center where you can come in and talk to our design folks, see what it is that's unique and different about Pinewood Forest. It's more than a town. It's an experience that you almost have to come see to believe.